In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AutoCAD 3D Extrude command. This tutorial will guide you step by step to ensure you can effectively create 3D models using extrusion, turning your 2D designs into dynamic 3D structures. To begin, let's first adjust our viewpoint so we can clearly see the results of our extrusion. You'll want to switch to a 3D view because this allows you to better visualize the dimensions and depth you're working on. Once you're in a 3D view, select a shaded visual style. Doing so enhances the visibility of your 3D structures, giving you a comprehensive view as you proceed. Now, with your setup ready, it's time to get into the core of the task. Head over to the command line, the heart of AutoCAD. Type in Extrude and then hit Enter. This command is essential as it activates the tool you'll be using to pull up or extrude your 2D shapes into three-dimensional forms. Following the activation of the Extrude command, you need to decide which objects will be transformed. Select the objects you wish to elevate into the third dimension. Once you've made your selections, proceed by pressing Enter again. It may sound simple, but choosing the right object is fundamental because it sets the foundation for your 3D model. Now comes the exciting part, setting the depth of your extrusion. You have two options here. You can use your mouse to drag and visually determine how far you want to extrude the selected object. If precision is more your style, you can directly input a specific number representing the distance the shape will extend along the Z-axis. Both methods allow for flexibility depending on your project needs and personal preference. While working with extrusions, there's a key detail to keep in mind to ensure success in creating a solid 3D model. If the result of your extrusion is intended to be a solid rather than a surface, the lines you initially drew must be connected as a polyline. A polyline is essentially a series of lines joined to form a single, unified shape, which is crucial for ensuring your extrusion remains solid. If your lines aren't already a polyline, transforming them is straightforward. Select the lines you wish to join, type Join into the command line and press Enter. AutoCAD then converts the individual lines into a seamless polyline ready for extrusion. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effectively use the extrusion command in AutoCAD to elevate your 2D designs into the realm of 3D modeling. Practice these steps and experiment with different shapes and dimensions to fully harness the power of AutoCAD's extrusion capabilities. Happy designing!